Good morning, everyone. My name is Michelle Bowles. The article that I chose was Students with a Disability Deserve Inclusion. It's also the best way to teach by Hannah Greco. A brief overview of the article is students with a disability are facing abuse in schools. Many parents and teachers feel bad, but in a certain population should be kept away from the certain general population. Many teachers and parents do not understand the pedagogy or of inclusion instruction. The author feels that inclusion is the best practice for disabled and non-disabled students. If inclusion is done well, it is effective for all students. Inclusion works well when educators can collaborate to determine the best needs for students. Inclusion is the least expensive and most effective way to educate students. I personally am in support of inclusion education. I have seen it work in my classroom. I have seen that it has brought students closer together in my classroom, and it has also taught them to work with people that may be different from them. Inclusion has also been a life changer for some of my students. They have developed relationships and have learned to work with others and build relationships with those that are different. The implications of practice that I want to have and that I try to include in my classroom are give jobs to the students in my classroom that are the inclusion students. Make them a part of all activities in the classroom and do not make them feel different or single them out. And what I mean by that is don't call out that their assignment may be a little bit different. And as teachers, we're required to differentiate. So whenever we differentiate, they can just do the work to the ability that they have. I appreciate you all listening, and I hope you are doing well.